This Shelby GT500 had been standing here for years, forgotten by time. Dust, rust, and silence were all that remained. No one believed this car was worth saving anymore.
Until one deal quietly changed everything. Cash was handed over, and history changed hands.
A truck was called to rescue the legend.
Slowly, the Shelby was pulled away from its past. A new journey had begun.
The first inspection revealed both damage and hope.
Years of dirt covered every inch of the body.
One wipe at a time, the truth began to show. Every bolt was checked carefully. Rusted parts were removed without mercy. New bolts brought new strength.
Attention turned toward the heart of the car. Attention turned toward the heart of the car.
The engine was lifted out for rebirth.
Years of wear were clearly visible.
Each component was cleaned by hand.
Fresh oil flowed like new life.
The rebuild began piece by piece.
Precision mattered more than speed.
The engine slowly returned to its former glory. Everything was aligned perfectly.
The engine was finally ready.
Carefully, it was lowered back into place.
Connections were secured one by one.
The heart was back where it belonged.
Now, the body needed attention. Water washed away years of neglect.
Every touch was gentle, yet deliberate.
Layers of dirt slowly gave way.
The past was being washed away.
The paint had survived, but it needed care.
Every surface was dried with patience.
Time had left its marks.
Restoration was about to begin.
Slow movements brought back the shine.
The difference was impossible to ignore.
The legend was starting to shine again.
The legend was starting to shine again.
Preparation was everything.
Every flaw had to be addressed.
Patience shaped the metal.
Smoothness came before beauty.
The silver returned, just like before.
The color came alive again.
Protection for the future.
Now it needed time.
Clean lines told the story. The legend stood, reborn.
Every piece found its place again.
The lights came back to life. Order replaced old chaos. The cockpit remembered its purpose. The past was finally cleared away. Clean air filled the cabin again. Details made the difference.
Details made the difference.
Inside, it felt new again. Everything was finally in place.
Power flowed perfectly.
Silver suited it perfectly.
The inside was complete.
Nothing was left unchecked.
Nothing was left unchecked.
It stood proud once more. The moment of truth arrived. The heart beat again.
It was ready for the world.
The legend lived again.
Under the hood, everything was finally alive.
The engine ran like it remembered its past.
Every breath sounded strong.
The road welcomed it back. All signs were perfect.
Its name still carried weight.
The test was complete.
The work was finally done.
Now, it was ready for a new owner.
The decision to sell had been made.
Someone new had arrived.
They could feel the care in every inch. We've maintained it meticulously, as you can see.
I appreciate the transparency. It looks pristine.
The story was being told again.
Some bonds are instant.
The deal was sealed.
It was no longer for sale.
Value changed hands.
A new chapter began.
The legend moved on. These hands had given it life.
The journey felt unreal now.
The silence felt heavier.
The chapter was closed.
But the story lived on.
Some legends never truly leave.
Restoration is respect. A legend never ends. It simply moves on.